NSC. Hi all and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all fine. Like you can see, I'm trying here now to repair an oven, which is one from AEG. This is a German manufacturer. Aus Erfahrung gut. Naja. Kompetenz. So the problem is this plate here. The one in the middle is not really bright, so that means it's really getting darker and darker, and the part outside is just not burning at all. Okay, because I can regulate it with a button, but I set it that I just want to have all the part here, but it's just not working. The small one is this button. Yeah, so this is gonna just go on. When I turn it all to the right side, it makes click again, click once again, and then the second part should go on. Now let me just check it out. Yeah, it begins. Gonna now turn it here to the right side to activate the second ring. Up. Let's take a look. Still nothing. So this is the problem here. The second ring is just not turning on. This one is working. Click, click. Now the other gets on. Here, this one is not working at all. Yeah. And you can see it gets red till there. See that energy gets inside, gets red till there. The second one just not working. Yeah, I'm gonna test it. I found the problem. This is the button. Yeah, I'm gonna not just turn it on, and then I need to turn it one more time till here, and then I need to let it go. Nothing happens. But when I play here around, wait. You see that? I'm here holding. So that means that the button is just damaged. So yeah, I need a new button. So all is cool here. And yeah, good to know. So you could probably take this button just out. Yeah, just swap it out. And you could probably change this button to this side. So this one here has just a bad circuit. Okay, again, I'm going to just turn it. Now, this is just the small ring. I'm going to turn it once again. And now the second ring should turn on. But when I just here, hold it a little bit to the right side. So wait, need to find again the contact. Now here we go. See that? I'm still holding. So here's bad circuit. When I just let it go, you'll see what happened. So you guys know me. I'm on the way to get this button out. See? Perfect. It's not the plate. So sometimes people buy that stuff and at last it's just a button. So they're gonna pay about, I don't know, included the installation, about 200 euros. And at last they're gonna tell you, hey, Mrs. Blah blah blah, this is your button. So, and again, 200 euros. So yeah, I'm gonna look what I can do. Yeah guys, so now you can see I'm on the way to take off the switch and all the stuff. Just wanted also to show you how to get this all off. It's just easy. Pull it out, push it, and then you got inside 2 screws. See that, 1 and 2. Here's the click system. So the button just stays in. Okay, nothing special. Here we go. Okay. be sure that you have always no energy when you are working on it. Now I'm gonna do some pictures for myself, so later I know where to connect this all back, and then I think I'm gonna take a look inside. Yeah, why not? So like you can see, I have just took it all apart, and yeah, I have now just learned a lot. I had also here really to take all off here because it was really a little bit complicated, but yeah, I'm already there where I should be. So this was here totally yeah, teared down. Let's say this was all out, and inside there you got also small ring, which yeah, I know the lights is not bad. I'm gonna try to edit that on the video. Under there is a white small ring, and this guy is turning also with the button. So the white ring under there just tells them, or just tells him, when to be on the second ring. So, and here you got also a screw which you can just yeah, turn it to the left or to the right. So this is the timing when just turn the button when it will activate or not. Okay, so like it was before, it was like that, that the button was just, let's say, in this position, and just then it has just activated. You just hear it when you just turn it to the right side. Yeah, just imagine like that. Click. Okay, and this is too late. When it just turn the button, it needs to make about here click. Okay, click, and not click. Okay, this is too late, but I'm gonna try to show you this later. Yeah, I was here not just working around. You got here a small feeder. This also is, let's say, yeah, it just tells you when it's the limit. So sometimes when it just turns too hard, you break that stuff, and that's why this kind of things happen. So here you just turn it one time, and when you see this is the maximum, please do not turn it more, because this is gonna destroy here, let's say, the plastic and all the stuff. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna now just get my smartphone yeah, recharge it, because the battery is empty, and then I'm gonna also show you how to set this small screw here, because yeah, this is good to know. Otherwise you just turn it and this gets just too late activated. Okay, let's say on level 3 it will get on, but it should get on when you just, yeah, turn it to level 1. Okay, so level 1 is of course on, and it should make click, and not make click just on level 3. Yeah, okay. And I think I'm gonna take the, yeah, let's say, not that much used one for the left side, because we are here using the left side yeah, more as the other side. So the other side is mostly this one here. This is the button number 3, but we are mostly using this one, and that's why I'm gonna just change the button. And when I have more time, I'm gonna just, yeah, buy me a new one, and I will just don't, yeah, it's no problem now for me. Okay, so this is not just easy work. When you just know how it's built, then it's really just easy work. Okay, and you can, yeah, save lots of money when you know how to do that. And I hope you like this video. And yeah, I'm gonna keep doing my work like I told. I'm gonna now charge my smartphone to have better lights, and I'm gonna record again. So guys, the thing that I wanted to demonstrate you is now here. Okay, now just try to hear it. Okay, click, click again. Now I'm gonna turn it here to the right side. Too late. Okay, I'm gonna turn it even more. Nothing. See that? Just about here. This is too late. Okay, so you need to adjust it here perfectly. Yeah. Yeah. Do not turn it, let's say, too much to the left side, because then it's always on, even when here it's off. Okay. Now it's on. You hear it? Off. Now it's always on. Doesn't matter if we turn it here or not. Off and on. Okay, so adjust it perfectly. On, off, on, off. on, off, on, off. Perfect. Now you know, here, when it's just activated, this jumps up and gives you contact, okay? Here, this one. Click, 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 okay? This is the way this needs to work. Yeah guys, I'm finally finished. I have now just closed all the caps here. I have now just adjusted somehow, and you need to know that you should wait also till it really gets cooled down. Just then, when the lights here are off, you can now try again to see if all is okay. Click, 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 okay. Here also on the screw, you can turn it to the left. Hear it? Left, right, left, right, right, and now a little bit more. Finish. Yeah, and here again. See that? Here, left, right, and a little bit more. Yeah, this should be okay. Okay, so now you know somehow how to adjust it. And yeah, you better don't touch it. When you just buy a new one, probably there you need to adjust it a little bit, because sometimes when it just turn it to level 2 or 3, it will still not go on. So here now you know how to set it, okay? So this is the way you can go. And like I told, when you are just adjusting that all, sometimes just wait till all here is cooled down, because then you can really be sure that you have, yeah, just set it right again. Okay. Yeah, looks good. Click, click. Click, click. Yeah, I'm happy. Okay, guys, I hope you like it. I'm gonna look what I'm gonna post you all in the video, because I got lots of video stuff and lots of cables, and maybe I'm gonna put that all together. So sometimes it's just gonna help some people's AEG, but I bet the same goes for, let's say, Bosch or Siemens. So they are pretty all the shame. Yeah, it's a shame, but yeah, all the same, let's say like that. So kind of the same. So now again, all is finished. Just for the last time for the video, this is the button which was normally here. I have just changed it, and here we go. Just the small circle. All right, and now we turn, let's say, the second flame, and it's working. So nice. Now let's go for the other one, which I normally kind of have repaired. Not perfect, but you can buy a new one. Let's go. Turn it. Small flame, which is just this side. All right, and now we're gonna turn it to the big flame, but then I need to turn it a little bit back, and then it will work. Okay. Yeah, it's better than nothing. Like I told, I found these switches on eBay for about 16 bucks. I'm gonna post you this all in the video description. I hope you like this video. Thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget, and leave me a comment, yeah? Peace.
NSC in the place to be. NSC